Hello, dear viewers. How are you all? I wish you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. So, welcome back again on my YouTube channel, Sweet Fashion. Once again, I collected for you guys amazing, beautiful, and stunning fireplace Christmas decoration ideas. All are amazing, beautiful, latest designs of decoration you guys will find for your Christmas. So, this Christmas, you guys can decorate your fireplace like this, and it will look definitely so amazing and beautiful. So do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon too if you guys want to watch this type of collection more on my channel, and give me your reviews and your feedback most in the comment section. So I will definitely try to bring more amazing collection for you guys. Thank you.